Hello, welcome to excelexperts.com. This is the Teach Yourself Excel section, and lesson number 22, the lesson you've all been waiting for, is on the Vlookup formula. So in my opinion, this is the most useful formula in Excel. If you want to follow along with this, go to excelexperts.com, Teach Yourself Excel, choose lesson number 22 on Vlookup formula, download the starting sheet, and then read the step-by-step instructions. What we'll do now. So here we are. So we've entered a whole load of expenses. We enter eating out, and then we choose whether it's necessary or not. But actually, it's now occurred to me that all of my eating out is unnecessary. So why do I need to enter eating out and necessary? Well, I can just enter eating out and create a formula to guess whether it's necessary or not, and then if I decide to change it, I can just type over it. So how do I do that? Well, I need to create a function that looks up eating out from a table and returns true or false. So let's recreate that right now. So in cell J3, I'll type expense type and then necessary, and then I'll just copy and paste these. Eating out computer, false, true. Let's format it a bit, add some of that. Now my formula, currently we've got data validation here, so we'll need to turn that off. Select that, data validation, choose any value, click OK. Now enter the formula, equals Vlookup. We're looking up this value in, then press comma, this table, comma. The column to return is the second column, it's this one, and this tells me exact match, so let's just do that. Close brackets, hit enter. Now notice if I double click this formula down, we've done that before. Oh dear, what's happened? It's given me a right answer for most of them, but for this one, #NA. We need to fix the references. So this is a table. Now every time we do a lookup, we always want to refer to this table. So what we do is we highlight that and we press F4. That fixes the reference to that table, which we've learned in a previous lesson. Click enter and then double click down. Now we have a formula to populate the necessary, and if we decide to type over it, we can just type true. I thought that Macadese was necessary. So there you go, a Vlookup formula. Very useful. If you want to add more expenses, all you need to do is type them down here. So this could be sport, false maybe, and to change the formula you click on it, and then you would need to drag this down. So go to the corner, drag it down, and then hit enter, and then copy it down. Or alternatively, you could just make this range really big, so put K600. Notice it goes all the way down there, copy it down, and it still works. So I can enter as many expense types as I like and never change this formula ever again. Pretty useful. You've been listening to excelexperts.com on the Vlookup formula.